Welcome to Smart English, the channel that makes learning English fun, easy, and smart.
Here, we bring you real conversations from daily life, at the cafe, in the office, traveling, and more, so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
With every video, you'll learn new words, expressions, and speaking tips, all through simple, smart conversations.
So if you're ready to improve your English the smart way, hit subscribe and join us today. Smart English. Learn fast. Speak smart. The conversation is at the airport.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, no, go ahead.
Thanks. Who? Another delay. This is the third time today.
Tell me about it. My flight was supposed to leave an hour ago.
Same here. Where are you headed?
New York, you.
Chicago. Business trip.
Nice. I'm heading to a conference in New York.
Conferences, meetings, delays. Airports never change.
True, but I have to admit, people watching here is kind of entertaining.
You're right. Everyone rushing, some sleeping on chairs, kids running around.
Exactly. It's like a little world of its own.
So, what do you do?
I'm in IT software development. What about you?
I'm a marketing consultant. Lots of traveling, lots of presentations.
Sounds busy.
It is, but I enjoy it. What about you? Do you like your job?
Most days. Some days it feels like I'm just fixing computers endlessly.
Hey, at least people need you. Without IT, offices would fall apart.
True. So, do you travel often?
Way too often. Sometimes I forget what city I'm in.
That bad?
Yeah. Once I almost said, "Good evening, London," during a presentation in Paris.
That must have been awkward.
Very. But people laughed, so it worked out.
Announcement. Attention. Passengers. Flight 452 to Chicago is delayed by another 30 minutes. Sophia groans.
Not again.
Don't worry. My flight's also delayed. Looks like we're stuck here together.
Could be worse. At least I have someone to talk to now.
Same here. Beats staring at my laptop screen.
Do you read? I usually carry a book for moments like this.
Sometimes. What are you reading?
Atomic Habits. It's about small changes leading to big results.
Ah, I've heard of it. I could use that. My bad habits are winning.
Then you'd love this book.
Maybe I'll check it out. So, outside of work, what do you enjoy?
Traveling for fun when it's not work-related. Hiking, photography.
Nice. I like photography too. Mostly landscapes.
Oh, really? Do you share your photos anywhere?
Just on Instagram. Nothing serious.
I'd love to see them sometime.
Announcement. Attention passengers. Flight 3192. New York is delayed by 20 more minutes. James sighs. Guess we'll both be here a while.
Silver lining, we get to chat more.
So, funniest airport story.
Once I fell asleep at the gate and almost missed my flight.
I did that too, except I woke up on the plane next to a crying baby.
That's rough.
Yeah, longest 6 hours of my life.
Yeah, longest 6 hours of my life.
You know, this delay doesn't feel so bad anymore.
Agreed.